We must be happy with what we have. Within a few mango trees, there was one little bubble tree. It was very pretty, but it felt sad and it wanted to look better. I wish I had big leaves and no thorns. The next day, when it woke, it had big leaves and no thorns. It was like a mango tree. Now I'm pretty, it said. Just then, a goat came along and ate up the leaves. Oh no, said the tree. I wish I had gold leaves, then no one would eat me up, and I would look prettier. The next day when the tree woke up, it had gold leaves. Just then, a thief came along and stole the gold leaves. This is sad, said the bubble tree. I wish I had glass leaves. No one take glass leaves. I would also look shiny and pretty. The next day, when the tree woke up, it had glass leaves and was happy. I'm shiny and pretty, it said. Just then, a strong wind came and broke the glass leaves. Oh, I wish I have small leaves and thorns. No one will eat my leaves or steal my leaves. The next day, the tree was once again a bubble tree. I am happy as I am. I do not need anything more, said the happy bubble tree.